And so, dear ones, simply breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine a golden warm light in the center of your heart. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into the room that you're in. And now imagine for all the angels and guides and ascended masters and galactic families of light to be with you. And we now invite you to relax even deeper and to place your hand on your heart center. Now, dear ones, imagine for this golden light to reach up from your heart center through your head upwards. Reach up. And now say in your mind or out loud, "Beloved, I am presence. Fill my mind and thoughts now." You might feel the golden energy coming right back into your head, filling your mind. Feel the energies expanding in your mind. Now, say in your mind or out loud, "Beloved, I am presence. Fill my heart and feelings with your presence. Fill my feeling world with your presence." Begin to feel your heart being filled with this beautiful energy of your I am presence, divine love. Feel the peace and harmony in your feeling world. Now, say in your mind or out loud, "Beloved, I am presence. Fill my body and every cell of my body with your divine perfection." And feel this energy now filling your entire body. Every cell of your body is listening to that. And you can feel an uplifting feeling, a lightness in your body. Imagine for every cell of your body getting back into line, into divine perfection. Everything in divine order, everything is functioning perfectly. Now say in your mind or out loud, "Beloved, I am presence. fill my energy field and aura with your energies. Begin to form a tube of light around me that will only allow for your divine perfection to enter my being and world. And you can see this tube of light around you to intensify more and more, for the light of this tube of light to become brighter and brighter until it reaches a bright white light around you. Allowing only divine love to enter your experience and world. And now say in your mind or out loud, beloved, I am presence, fill my world and take command of my world. Allow these energies to expand into your world and continue to feel harmony in your heart. Continue to focus your thoughts on your I am presence and the love of your I am presence. When you feel complete, come on back, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes. Welcome back, dear one.